have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep or partially asleep or fully awake. Have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep, to be asleep.
A lot of people are wondering what the hell is going on. But what if I told you that the most dangerous thing is happening, but it's inside of your head? Second, number one is a normalization phase. So just steadily leaking UFO footage, holding hearings, using all these terms like UAPs all the time. The government makes the idea of something out there seem reasonable. So this keeps people curious, but not panicked. Curious, but not panicked.
Look at this. What is this?
It's like, I thought it would be round. It's not round.
Yeah, on the sky.
Yeah, in the sky. It's a space jellyfish.
Oh,
Whoa.
look at.
What in the...
Oh my gosh.
What is that? What is that?
It's turning. It's. Oh my gosh. Did you see everybody? It's.
Oh my gosh, what is that? It's...
Oh my gosh. It's giving me goosebumps.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's creepy.
Yeah, come
Hurry up.
Come here.
Oh my gosh.
What is this?
That's cool. It's been changing shapes.
I thought it was changing shape earlier when I was looking at it.
Wow. It's hard to. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's like fireworks.
There's no way that's airplane.
That's not an airplane.
That's.
It's been there a long time.
Yeah. It's hard to zoom that close, I think, but it's amazing, guys.
The second part of this is setting the stage for a big reveal. And I want you to keep that one in mind. So at some point, we might see a more dramatic event, like a giant UFO sighting over a major city, or footage that is just impossible to dismiss. And you could think giant holograms, giant drones, or other advanced tech just creating something that you cannot ignore. Here's what might happen. First would be escalating UFO reports. They expect a lot more sightings, near misses with airplanes, mysterious objects interfering with infrastructure like power grids or airports. it's going to feel real and urgent. The next would be a media blitz that would come after that. So mainstream media will amplify the story. They're going to interview pilots. They're going to release grainy videos and have experts explain these things that are maybe defying physics. The goal, potentially, and I say all of this as a potential hypothetical, to make everybody believe this is a huge deal. Next would be a global event, and this could be something absolutely wild, like some kind of coordinated UFO appearance, maybe a simulated attack, or even some claim that we've made contact. Focus on reality. Focus on reality. So what can you do? Like, what the hell can you do about all this? Look for patterns in how the media or the government communicates about things, maybe UFOs. Do they spot, or do they focus on fear? Or are they offering solutions that involve giving up freedom or increasing government power? So I want you to memorize these three questions if you're taking notes. Number one, who benefits from this narrative? Number two, what evidence is being shown and is it verifiable? Number three, why now? Question why you're being told to be afraid. Question why you're being told to be afraid. Mindfulness is one of the most powerful practices that you could start to adopt today. There's a million videos on it on YouTube. I'm not going to go into how to do it today. It's one of the most powerful things you can do just in general for your success in your life, but it's going to help insulate you from some of this stuff.
have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep or partially asleep or fully awake. Have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep, to be asleep.